Hey there planner friends, this is Amy here with Beloved Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing my November, well it's actually probably a December, unboxing of the Jane's Agenda subscription box. This arrived last week, but I was out of town, so I haven't even peeked in it yet because I wanted to wait and share it with you guys at the same time that I got it. So this will probably be holiday themed since last month was more Thanksgiving November themed. So I'm super excited to dive in and can't wait to show you guys what's inside. All right, so first we have their signature teal paper. That's always so beautiful. I also love the boxes that these come in. They've been working out great for wrapping Christmas presents or just storing things in. They're a great little compact size, so I always save the boxes too. So let's pull out our tissue. It's feeling nice and heavy. And then I actually usually snip this. Can be kind of hard to tear with that big sticker on there. Oh my gosh, look at this cute bag. And again, we'll probably cut this. Extra fun packaging this month. Ooh, we got some leopard. Okay. These are my favorite pens, so I will get more into these. But I'm so excited to have a friction clicker. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gonna be so cute. Usually there is a little card that tells us what's in there. Maybe it did not come out. Oh, I guess it. Okay, so no little card, which is just fine, no big deal. All right, well, let's kind of dive in here. So there's always these cute little cards that are in there that are a couple inches by a couple inches. There's a Dear Santa one. This is kind of a New Year one. So I wonder if this box will have a little bit of New Year stuff in, or winter themed too. So those are adorable. How cute is this little card? Oh, here's the list, duh. So the December box tour. All right, so we have the little quote cards. And then, oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever. A reindeer paper clip. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. I can't wait to use it in my holiday planner. All right, then we have a new little, all right, so here we have a cute out with the old, in with the bold. That's adorable. And who doesn't love some leopard print sticky notes? Love that. In winter, I plot and plan. In spring, I move. Oh, I love this. I'm diving into this bad boy. So I think this is the cardstock dashboard set of 5, and they are double-sided, which I love. In winter, I plot and plan. In spring, I move. Oh yeah, so those are beautiful. Love that overlay. This is beautiful too for winter. Wow, these are so pretty. This has like seriously become some of my favorite parts of their boxes. Just all these gorgeous dashboards, because I can use them in so many different ways. And then like you can overlay these too, or you can just have it be plain. They're so versatile. Oh, this is stunning. Love that. I have to use that for winter. Like this overlay works on all of them too. Oh, and a little buffalo plaid. Oh, that is super cute. Oh, I love that. I think I'm gonna end up putting these in my holiday planner. They're so cute. They're really nice, like thicker cardstock too, with a little bit of a finish to it. So they're not your typical just boring cardstock. All right, so let me move those dashboards out of the way. Okay, and then here we have a Reflections of 2020 insert. Oh, this will be good. This will be really good to fill out. So that'll be awesome. I almost think I'll put that like in the front of my 2020 planner that I'll keep, like for keepsake. Yeah, put that in there. It'd be a good way. All right, so then here we have a Year at a Glance planner insert. So a lot of the planners have these like at the very beginning. And this looks like a, oh yeah, so it's like a broke down by quarter. So a lot of mine have these, but I actually think this will be really good for my work planner, which is what I use my Jane's Agenda inserts in. That, and then I do love here how they have all the holidays for the year too, so you can make sure you have those on there. So that's great to have. All right, and then we have monthly planner insert. I am in love with this cover. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is, oh, look at the new dashboard here for the part of the month. So we've got the day, important dates, a weekly routine. Love that. I've never seen that on a planner dashboard before. That's so cool. A main focus for the month. We could probably highlight different dates if you wanted here, and then just a space, a dot grid for notes. So that is really cool. These are so tempting to make part of my everyday planner. I use it at work, but man, it is like tempting to do that. Okay, so these are just monthlies. Okay, and then, okay, so then we have the month in here. I see what she did there. Okay, here's a habit tracker. And then we've got bills, objectives, goals, etc. So there are these for every month for 2021. How awesome is that? So you could really just use these however you want. Maybe you have a wellness planner you want to use it for. Maybe you just want to insert it into the front of each month. I mean, really, you can use it for so many different things, but that is really cool. All right, and then we have, I think this is my favorite thing in the whole box. So I am obsessed with snowflakes, and like all my holiday decorations are snowflakes. So this is perfect to change out on my planner for the month of December, and I'm gonna totally do it because this is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So this is a vellum. You can use it as a cover, as I will be doing, or a dashboard. So if you wanted to just use it as a divider in there, you can too. That's what I love about their covers. So, and then last but not least, we have a Pilot Friction pen. These are my absolute favorite pens. I use them every single day in my planners. And this is a 07 size, so it's a little bit thicker, but they have an eraser on the end. So you can just erase beautifully anything that you don't like in there, or if you mess up, like, I love that about them. So this is awesome that it comes with the black one. You can never have too many black frictions. So anyway, so there we have our December jeans agenda box. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's all in here as much as I did. It was super fun, and I can't wait to get using it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.